Reading files the wrong way can crash your production server. Let's look at the difference between read and readline in Python so you never make that mistake. The read method returns the entire file content as a single string. When you call file.read, Python loads everything from start to finish into memory at once. You can also pass an optional size argument to read only n bytes, like read 1000 for the first 1000 bytes. On the other hand, readline reads just one line at a time, up to and including the new line character. Each call moves the file pointer forward to the next line. This makes it perfect for iterating through files incrementally without loading everything at once. Here's the critical difference. Read loads the entire file into memory, so a 10 GB log file means 10 GB of RAM usage. Readline is memory efficient, only keeping one line in memory at a time. For large files, this difference can make or break your application. So when should you use each? Use read for small files where you need all the content at once, like config files. Use readline when processing large files line by line, like logs or CSV files. You can also use read with a size argument to process files in chunks if you need more control. Remember, read for small files, readline for large files or incremental processing. Master these methods, and you'll handle file I/O like a pro. Practice this concept, and you'll nail your Python interviews. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.